Ayan na guys. Pinuksan na natin yung takip. So, i-mix natin together guys. So, medyo luto na itong beans kasi ito lang naman yung matigas tsaka yung carrots. So, we will add directly the cabbage guys. In the Tagalog is repolyo. Maraming repolyo kasi maano lang ito guys eh. Madali lang ito siyang malusaw. So, ganyan guys because we make a lot spring roll today. Because the birthday of our madam. So that I will make this one special for her. So, this one guys, thank you so much guys for supporting me. And God bless guys. So, ayan na guys. Ready na yan. Tikman na lang natin kung may kulang. Black pepper or soya sauce. Ito lang yung ingredients guys. Black pepper, salt na konti, salt, suya, tapos itong oyster sauce. And this is teriyaki sauce. Yun ang combination ko guys sa pangpalasa sa ating spring roll. So, now we will add the last guys, we will add the bean sprout. Yung tawagin na pinatubo kung sa munggong pinatubo. Ayan. So, madali lang itong matunaw guys. Kaya isama-sama ko na siya. At para sabay-sabay na silang maluto. So, malambot lang naman to. At the end, pagkatapos yan natin na takpan natin for a while. We close for a while. Just 5 minutes. After that guys, we open. We put the vegetable. So, we will add directly the spring onion. Kung sa Tagalog ay ang sibuyas na may dahon. So, istalyon in English. Spring onion. Or istalyon or sibuyas na may dahon. So, ayan na guys. So, looks delicious and yummy. So, this is a easy food in this coming winter. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless. Thank you to all my friends are supporting my live. Thank you so much.